If you're running a small business and want to start accepting online payments, Stripe is one of the easiest and most trusted platforms to get started with. Here's how to activate Stripe payments for your business. First, go to stripe.com and click Start Now to create your account. After verifying your email, log into your dashboard and click on Activate Account at the top. This is where you'll enter your business details like your legal name, business type, and address. You also need to provide your bank account information so Stripe can deposit your payouts. Next, you'll set up your public facing business information like your business name and support contact that customers will see on receipts. You also select the type of products or services you're selling and describe how you fulfill customer orders. Once you submit your info, Stripe will review and usually approve your account instantly. After that, you can integrate Stripe into your website using their payment links, checkout widget, or by connecting it to your e-commerce platform like Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. And that's really it. Stripe payments are now active, and you can start getting paid securely online. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more quick business tips, and comment below if you want help connecting Stripe to your website or funnel platform.